I wanted to jump into a little segment about BlackRock because they're so focused on crypto. You know, they've basically driven this recent market rally, haven't they, with their Bitcoin ETF? And the CEO of BlackRock, Larry Fink, has mentioned several times that he sees the next step as being tokenization of assets. And so in crypto, we call that tokenization of real world assets, or RWAs. And so we've covered it before. But BlackRock is, you know, the biggest asset manager in the world. They're so powerful. They've got a lot of pull when it comes to US elections and stuff like that. I think they were the biggest funder of Joe Biden's campaign. Yep. And so they have a lot of pull. And then, so there's a lot of speculation around who they're going to, if they're going to, you know, come out in support of any particular crypto projects. Ondo Finance seems to be a key one because, you know, as we spoke about recently, BlackRock launched their own tokenized fund on the Ethereum network. And Ondo actually transferred in $95 million into that fund. Right. So there's clearly a little partnership connection going on there. And I think there was actually an exchange back of only about $250K from BlackRock to Ondo. Tiny, I mean, that's like pocket change for them. But it just kind of shows you that they are looking to, you know, build that relationship with Ondo. So Ondo seems to be, you know, a leader in the sort of RWA space. But yeah, I wanted to break down this tweet that we've got on the screen here. So for those that are not watching the video, so there's this tweet from an analyst called Maya, and they've basically broken down that they think there's BlackRock will come out in support and form a partnership with another small crypto project called Energy Web, and they have a token called EWT. And he breaks this down pretty well. So it's pretty lengthy, so I'll just give everyone the TLDR, the too long didn't read. So Energy Web token, it's a token under, you know, 100 mil market cap, so pretty small in these days in this market. And BlackRock actually invited the guys from Energy Web to their digital assets summit, and they actually spoke there. And for that might not seem like a big deal, but the only other crypto native project invited to speak at the summit was Circle. So Circle are the ones who issue USDC, one of the big stable coins, and they've got strong ties with Coinbase as well. So they're very well connected, but it's just interesting that they invited these Energy Web guys, what seems to be like pretty unknown people in that space.
That's cool.
But the tweet goes on. So BlackRock has partnered with a company called Temasek, which apparently has deep connections with Energy Web. And now BlackRock and Temasek are launching a $1.4 billion fund targeting the acceleration of decarbonization, which is exactly what Energy Web and the Energy Web token is all about and strives to achieve. So they think, you know, there's potential that they will integrate in some shape or form. And then, I think the key thing to understand here is like, this is a tiny token, so people might look at this as like a key opportunity, being like, if even just an announcement of a partnership of some sort between BlackRock and that token will pump.
Yeah,
but it's still
with Hedera, right?
Exactly, and this is way smaller in terms of market cap. Okay. But this is still highly speculative. There's no guarantee that this will happen. Yeah.
It's just some good sleuthing.
Yeah, it's a good little bit of research that I just was really interested in. So I haven't invested in EWT. Yeah. It's just kind of one to watch, and like if it happens, then I'm sure it will do good things. But other Energy Web has actually worked closely with the likes of PayPal, Shell, and also Vodafone. So it's not like they're kind of new to this whole partnering with the big dogs in that kind of space. So yeah, one to watch for sure.